friends and colleagues. My name is Andrea. I am with Minoria, and we are a company that's truly invested on trying to help disadvantaged businesses out there. And we're delivering the tools you need to construct your business foundation and execute your vision. So we try to find as many resources as we can, especially the free ones, to help small businesses. And one of them is a resource that's called SCORE. SCORE is a sister company of SBA, Small Business Administration. And if you're in need of some guidance for your business, this is definitely the organization you want to connect with, because it's an organization where they unite a lot of retired volunteers, professional retired volunteers that are there for you to guide you and succeed in business. So if you go to score.org, you'll find the company or the organization and all its resources. So they obviously have resources for what's going on here with COVID and the pandemic. And then they also have an area where you can find locations and mentors, any type of workshop. They record them and you can go over it. So keep this in mind. This is a tip. I highly recommend it. Minoria also assists with doing some of the workshops as well. So we'll definitely share once we schedule something this 2021. But meanwhile, I hope you guys enjoy these videos and these resources, and I would highly encourage you to subscribe and like, share with other peers and other business friends out there. We're definitely going to be able to provide a lot more information and other resources. If you have any questions or anything else, let me know. Thank you guys. Bye.